I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 2, the World of Science, chapter number 12, Coronavirus. Okay, take the correct answer. Let me start. Question number 1. What is the name given to the disease caused by coronavirus spreading when? COVID-19. 2. What is the name given by scientists to coronavirus before Wuhan? COVID-19. Who has declared COVID-19 an epidemic? WHO. Question number 4. In which state has full curfew been imposed due to coronavirus? Kerala. Number 5. On which day is a public curfew, Janta curfew, imposed due to coronavirus? It is 22 March 2020, 22 March 2020. Which state became the first state to lock down due to coronavirus? It is Rajasthan. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? Number 7. It is lungs. What is the name of the test of coronavirus COVID-19? It is RT-PCR. 9. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? Hubei. What does 6 in the world COVID-19 mean? Virus. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 13. Our body. You see your body every day. It does so many actions: eating, running, walking, crying, shouting, writing, fishing, caring, swimming, jumping, and much more. So our body works like a machine. It works when we are working and when we are sleeping as well. So each part of the body is made up of tiny structures called cells. Okay, so the size of a cell is so small that a bunch of bells can be fit into a letter O. So many cells together form a tissue of the some blind joined together to form an organ that perform particular job, makes a system. Different systems work together and keep our body alive. Okay, so let us learn the major functions of some organs and system of our body. So these are the sense organs. Our body have 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, these are the 5 organs. Our eyes help us to see. Okay, our ears help us to hear. Our nose help us to smell. Our tongue help us to taste. Our skin help us to feel. Our sense organ make us aware of our surroundings. So they are connected to the brain through the nerves. So these are the information for our sense organs. So this chapter is only for reading. So let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 14. Science scholars. Read the clues and guess the names of the famous scientists given below. Number 1. The Indian scientist won a Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He discovered a phenomenon that have been named after him. C.V. Raman. Number 2. He invented the analytical engine, which is the precursor to the modern electronic computer. So it's Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. This scientist went to school only till he was 10 years old. He also liked playing prank on people with kites and invented the lightning conductor. ये है Benjamin Franklin. Number 4. His book Origin of Species brought forward the theory of evolution. तो ये है चार्ल्स डार्विन. The English mathematician and astronomer elaborated upon the theory of gravity and also discovered the color spectrum and the mathematical method. We all use calculus. So Isaac Newton. Number 5. Isaac Newton. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 15. Unique universe. Choose the correct answer to these questions about a unique universe. Okay. Dash is one of the many satellites of Jupiter. It is the heaviest natural satellite. A solar system, its mass is nearly double of that of the moon. So it is a Ganymede. Option C. Number 2. Vostok, Soyuz and Apollo 13 are all names of spacecraft. C. Option is C. Space crafts. Number 3. This planet can produce the most violent winds and suffers the most violent weather in the solar system, Neptune. Option is B. This planet does not spin on its axis like other planets, but rather spins in a barrel sort of formation. So the number 4 is Uranus. Number 5. Kalpana Chawla was the mission specialist sent by NASA aboard the ill-fated space shuttle Dash in the first movement of Indian origin in space. It is Columbia. Answer is Columbia. Number 6. The Milky Way consists of at least 200 billion and maybe as many as 400 billion stars. It is spread out as a thin disk and appears to be a spiral galaxy. It is about 1 lakh light years across. And Dash is located midway in the disk. So the answer is Sun. Name the following. Question number 1. The Hubble telescope have never managed to observe this planet. Mercury. Number 2. The planet that is called the Earth's twin. It is Venus. Number 3. This planet has the largest volcano in our solar system, Mars. This layer of a gas surrounds the Earth 30 kilometers above its surface. It is ozone. Number 5. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta and epsilon are rings encircling this planet. So answer is Uranus. Question number 6. What name was given to the first series of satellite launched in 1957 by the Soviet Union? Sputnik. In the solar system, water classified into groups stone irons and stony irons. It is meteorites. The study of what make up the universe and how it has grown and changed. It is cosmology. Nine. The spot on the moon where human first landed. It is Sea of tranquility. What name literally meaning snowstorm was given to the first reusable spacecraft launched by USSR in 1988? It is Buran. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 16. Atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules are tiny, yet they form the core essence of any substance. Sometimes a tiny part of a large substance can define its core essence. So write the correct letters in the boxes to match the column. Okay, number 1, atom. B, the smallest piece of matter that has the characteristics, properties of a chemical element. Number 2, element made up of only one type of atoms. E, nucleus. Number 3, it is, answer is G, consists of protons and neutrons. Answer is G. Number 4, protons A have a positive electrical charge. Electron, number 5, it is F, have a negative electronic charge. F. Option is F. Number 6, hydrogen atom. It is C, simplest and lightest atom with one proton. Number 7, periodic table. It is I. Arrangement of elements in order of their atomic numbers. Option is I. Mass number. 8. Mass number, it is D. The total number of protons and neutrons in an atomic nucleus. Answer is D. Molecule. Molecule, it is H. Smallest units into which a compound can be divided without changing its chemical properties. So option is H. Polar molecule. J. A molecule having a pair of electric charges or magnetic poles of opposite sign or polarity separated by a small distance. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 17. Okay, 8 queries. Okay. 1. This operating system was introduced by Bill Gates' company Microsoft. Windows. Which element is the primary component is computer microchips? It is silicon. Number 3, on a computer keyboard, which key would you keep pressed if you have to type capital letters? It is Shift. 4, which word describes a person who gains illegal access into computer? It is hacker. Answer is hacker. Question number 5, what component of the computer comes in standard size 14, 15 and 17 inches? It is monitor. Question number 6, the computer was the first to be mass produced. It is UNIVAC. In computer technology, what does MB stand for? Megabyte. A. Big Blue is the nickname of which company? It is IBM. Which device enables computers to communicate with each other across telephone cables? It is modem. So अब हम इसको fill कर देते हैं. Let me start. So the answer number 1 is window. windows here. Okay. Next one is silicone. This is silicone. Okay. And the next one is shift. So next search करते हैं hacker. Hacker. This one. Okay. And the next one is monitor. Monitor is here. Next question. Monitor. Okay. And the next one is UNIVAC. This one here. I think. Okay. This is UNIVAC. See properly? Okay. Next one is megabyte. Megabyte is here. Megabyte. This one. Okay. And then next is IBM. IBM. This one. Okay. And the next answer is modem. Modem is here. Okay. Only shift is left. It is not here. Shift is not here. Okay, this answer is not here in this box. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 18. Health problems. Solve the crossword puzzle. Question number 1. A kind of skin allergy in which the skin becomes itchy, red and dry. Eczema. ECZEMA. Okay, question number 3. This is what happens when joints get swollen, stiff and painful due to the loss of flexible cushion between the bones. It is arthritis. Number 3 is arthritis. 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 Okay. And the next question, question number 4. A condition in which someone can see things that are up close but find it difficult to see objects that are far away. It is myopia. Number 4. Myopia. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Some children have this learning problem which can make words and ideas jumble. This is dyslexia. Number 5. Where is number 5? Down. The deficiency of vitamin C leads to bleeding and swollen gums, weight loss, joint pain, and delay in the healing of wounds. It is scurvy. Number 2. Scurvy. 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 Number 6. An allergy triggered by seasonal allergens such as tree pollen. It is hay fever. Number 6 is hay fever. Question number 7. A nebulizer is a machine that turns liquid medication into a mist that can be breathed in. It is used by people who suffer from ailment. So the answer 7 is asthma. 7. is asthma. Next question number 8. Severe headache usually on one side of the head and often associated with nausea. Number 8. It is migraine. Last one. An acute, sometimes fatal diseases of the central nervous system caused by a bacterium which usually enters the body through an open wound. It is tetanus. So everyone, the chapter is, and here now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 19. Branches of medicine. What kind of doctor would you call to diagnose the following? Number 1. Johnny has a skin infection. He should consult a dermatologist. Number 2. Radha's grandmother who is aged needs a checkup. Radha should take her to a geriatrician. Geriatrician. Number 3. Amol's father has heart problem. He should consult a cardiologist. Mohit is having a problem in digesting things, so he should go to a gastroenterologist. Govind's mother's hormone levels are not balanced. She should consult an endocrinologist. Farhan is suspected to suffer from blood cancer. He should go to hematologist. hematologist. Number 7. Savita's kidneys are not functioning too well, so she should consult a nephrologist. Karan's sister has breast cancer. She should be taken to an oncologist. Rohit's kids need to go for a checkup. He should take them to a pediatrician. PAEDIATRICIA. Jagat is having breathing problems. He needs to get his lungs checked by pulmonologist. So everyone, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all these chapters. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.